As the spring garden starts to fade away, there are many ways you can preserve the colors and shapes of your garden through eco-printing. And here's how you can do it easily at home. For your eco-printing activity, what you'll need is any fabric. In this case, we'll be using a cloth mask, masking tape to hold your plant material, plastic to protect your fabric while hammering down, your hammer to transfer the pigment of your plant material, and last but not least, your plant material that you'll be using for your project. First, start by harvesting the plant material that you'll be doing your eco printing. Stick with highly pigmented plants that have bright colors and stay away from any pale white flowers as these will not show very well when transferring the pigment. Next, arrange your plant material in the way that you would like the pigment to be transferred in. A great way to hold the plant material in place is by adding masking tape. This will help you focus more on defining the shape and not worrying about the plant material moving around during the hammering stage of the project. Next, cover your fabric with a piece of plastic or any covering that will protect the fabric from getting dirty or too damaged during the hammering process. While hammering, you want to watch your fingers, but also get all the edges and the back sides of that plant material in order to get as much pigment as possible and define the shape as possible in order to get a better effect. Next, remove the tape and any plant materials left over, and soon you'll get a nice defined shape. If you want the natural dyes to last longer in your fabric, it's important to treat your fabric with a mordant before the dyeing process. Eco printing is a great way to be creative with any colors you find in the garden and preserve that memory for years to come. For more videos like these, subscribe for more, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.